What's cracking, everybody? Pete from Eminem and the Gang, and all the work is done picking up our coach here at RV Country. Had the tri-mark module replaced. As you can hear, the coaches started. They also found my leg one was burned. My power cord was burned up, so they ended up replacing this, my power cord. So that's brand new. Nothing's wrong with my transfer switch or my inverter. I did burn up another you can see that I burned up another watchdog, so that's leg one. They said it was fried, so that's why it was only a matter of time before everything went out. So got that going, serviced my aqua hot and my generator, and they also found my fans inside. They were not working in both bathrooms. I knew that, but they replaced those anyway also. So the coach is back running, very dirty. I'm happy. Got my home back. There's the Jeep. I'm all hooked up. Took me about 2.5 hours to get down here. So I'm heading back to Morgan Hill. They're gonna be there until the 6th. And then I don't know where we're gonna go after that. Coach is dirty. But yeah, they do nice work. They have a lot of Integras over there. Make me want to sell my coach. Go buy one of theirs. But anyway, that's a short video. Getting you guys caught up. Talk to you guys later. Peace. What's cracking, everybody? We are hitting the road. I just had to run in real quick and check because I didn't see the service for the aqua hot nor the generator, and we had a little misunderstanding. They thought I didn't want the service done, so they didn't do it. So everything else is done. The cord reel has been replaced, the fan motor has been replaced, the tri-mark module has been replaced. All that stuff is working, so I'm happy with that. Wish the generator and service would have been done, but they don't work on the weekends, and I would have to leave the coach again until possibly Wednesday. So I didn't feel like doing that. I already drove up here 2.5 hours. I didn't feel like driving back 2.5 hours, you know, without a coach. So we are heading out, or I'm heading out. Got to get some gas down to 26% on the gauge here. So when we were at the Gilroy running the generator, I couldn't tell how much gas I had left or when the generator would cut off. And turns out, gonna turn off real quick. So, but anyway, all is well. Going to get some gas. Start this video again when I get close to Morgan Hill. Talk to you guys later. Peace. What's cracking, everybody? Pete here from Eminem and the Gang, and we are getting ready to pull in, or I'm getting ready to pull in to Thousand Trails, Morgan Hill. Turn this camera around so you can see. I gotta wait for these cars to go by because I'm gonna take up most of this road when I make my turn. Stay out of that dirt. Alrighty. Long day. Got up, left about 8:30 or so to head to Fresno, which is about 2 hours and 45 minutes. Got my coach. 3 hours later, I'm here. Thousand Trails, Morgan Hill. I'll be here for, or wife's coming and going to pick her up tomorrow. We will be here until, I think, April 6th, I think, or something like that. So we use Morgan Hill and San Benito as our home base. So we bounce back and forth when we're here because it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Stay up to 3 weeks. So we'll do 3 weeks here, 3 weeks in San Benito. San Benito is about 25 miles away, or 25 minutes away, or something like that. 30 minutes. So it's not too far away. So this park, they changed their rules. It used to be you come in, you go pick your site, first come first serve, but a lot of 50 amp people with the big coaches started complaining because, you know, you only have a certain area where 50 amps are, and you get these vans, 20 amp vans or small travel trailers taking up those spots. So supposedly now they're going to assign sites to people. So I need to go in and see if they have a site assigned for me. Hopefully they don't, or if they do, it's not one of the uneven sites. So I'm gonna run over here and check in, see what's going on. Actually, they're doing the same self check-in still. So, gonna unhook you guys and so you can see where the things are. Okay. Whoops, sorry about the camera. Kind of like set it down and it fell over. Okay, so this is where I go check in and get my name badge, and nope, they don't have me here, so guess I gotta go in. Marcellus, Margus, and Judd. Well, I gotta go inside. Alrighty, I'm gonna end this video right here. Talk to you guys later. Peace.